Women start missing you the most when they, psychology facts, and 95% of high-value men ignore. Have you ever wondered when women start missing you the most? It's not when you shower them with attention, text them non-stop, or constantly try to impress them. In fact, it's the exact opposite. What you're about to learn in this video will flip everything you think you know about attraction on its head. There's a powerful psychological trigger that almost all men overlook, but 95% of high-value men understand and, surprisingly, often ignore. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and why she starts missing you. Let's get started. Section 1. The Power of Absence. Why Distance Creates Desire. We're going to dive into one of the most powerful yet overlooked principles in relationship dynamics, the scarcity principle. This psychological phenomenon explains why people value things more when they are scarce or hard to obtain. This principle doesn't just apply to material goods. It applies to relationships in a big way, especially romantic ones. Let's think about this from a logical standpoint for a moment. What do you value more? Something you can have whenever you want, that's always readily available to you? Or something that's rare, something you can't have all the time? The answer is obvious. Scarcity breeds value. And this is exactly how it works in relationships. Absence, a necessity for attraction. Here's what's important to understand. When you're constantly available to a woman, you eliminate the possibility of her missing you. Why? Because your presence is never in question. You're always there, always reachable, always in her face, whether it's through texts, phone calls, or just constantly being around. This may feel like a good strategy. After all, being available shows interest, right? But here's where that thinking backfires. The human brain needs contrast to appreciate things. Think about how much more you appreciate sunshine after days of rain, or how much you value your free time after working a long, grueling week. When something becomes scarce, its value increases. When you're not always available, she'll start to appreciate your presence more when you're around. The truth is, absence creates emotional distance, and that emotional distance is crucial for building attraction. When you give a woman space, it allows her to reflect on the times you were together. She'll start to miss you not because of anything specific you said or did, but because she has space to feel your absence. Her mind will naturally focus on the positive aspects of your interactions, glossing over any negatives. This is the power of memory. It amplifies the good moments and downplays the bad, especially when those good moments aren't constantly available. Why 95% of high-value men ignore this principle. Now, let's talk about why most men, and even many high-value men, overlook this fundamental principle. It boils down to a misunderstanding of what women actually want in a relationship. Many men think that being consistently available, constantly texting her, or always saying yes to plans will keep her interested. They believe that the more they're around, the more she'll like them. But here's the kicker. Constant availability leads to predictability, and predictability leads to boredom. When you're always available, there's no sense of mystery, no excitement, no tension. And tension is key to maintaining attraction. Even the most successful, high-value men can fall into the trap of thinking that their status, their wealth, or their looks will keep her interested. But if there's no space for her to miss you, all those external factors will eventually fade into the background. Think about it like this. Imagine your favorite food, something you absolutely love eating. Now, what if you had to eat that food every single day for every meal? Pretty soon, you'd get sick of it. The novelty would wear off, and you'd find yourself craving something else, something different. The same thing happens in relationships. When you're always there, the novelty wears off, and she starts to take you for granted. Key takeaway: how to create space without pushing her away. So, how do you use this principle without seeming distant or uninterested? The answer lies in balancing availability and absence. You don't want to play games, but you also don't want to be overbearing. Start by being mindful of how much time and attention you're giving her. If you're always the one initiating conversations or plans, take a step back and let her come to you. But here's the important part. Don't do this out of manipulation. Do it because you're genuinely focusing on your own life, your own goals, and your own growth. When you're busy with your own pursuits, whether it's building your business, hitting the gym, or developing a new skill, you'll naturally create space between you and her. That space is where attraction thrives. She needs time to wonder about you, to think about what you're doing, and to miss your presence. When you give her that space, she'll appreciate your time and attention even more when you're around. That's when the real attraction starts to build. Section 2. The push-pull dynamic, mastering emotional tension. Now let's move on to another essential principle of attraction, the push-pull dynamic. This is a psychological tool that creates and maintains emotional tension between two people. It's not about playing games, it's about understanding the natural rhythm of attraction. At its core, the push-pull dynamic is exactly what it sounds like. The push is when you're giving her attention, engaging with her, flirting, making her feel special. The pull is when you take a step back, give her space, and let her come to you. This creates an emotional roller coaster, and people are addicted to emotional roller coasters. Just look at the success of dramatic TV shows or reality series. It's the emotional ups and downs that keep people hooked. How the push-pull dynamic works in relationships. The push-pull dynamic works because it creates a sense of uncertainty. When you push, you're showing her that you're interested, and when you pull, you're giving her time to question how much you're invested. This doesn't mean you're being manipulative or leading her on. It simply means that you're not giving everything away up front. You're creating an emotional balance that keeps her engaged. Let's say you're texting a woman regularly and things are going well. You're building a connection and she's clearly interested. Now, if you're constantly texting her back immediately, always available, and always pushing, you'll soon eliminate any tension or mystery. There's no emotional pull, there's only push. She knows exactly where she stands, and while this might sound like a good thing, it kills excitement. But if you mix in some pull, maybe you don't reply right away or you're busy with something else for a day or two, you create a sense of unpredictability. She starts to wonder what you're up to, and that curiosity triggers emotional engagement. She begins to invest more because she's not entirely sure where she stands, and this keeps her interested. Why push-pull is essential for long-term attraction. The push-pull dynamic isn't just for the early stages of dating, it's essential for maintaining attraction in long-term relationships as well. Even if you've been together for months or years, this dynamic helps keep the relationship fresh and exciting. Over time, many relationships fall into routines, where both partners become comfortable and predictable. While there's nothing wrong with stability, too much predictability can lead to complacency. By continuing to apply the push-pull dynamic, you keep the emotional connection alive. You remind her that there's always a bit of mystery, a bit of excitement in the relationship. Remember, attraction isn't about being available all the time, it's about creating a balance. When you're too available, there's no room for her to miss you. When you're too distant, she might lose interest. The push-pull dynamic is about finding that sweet spot where she's consistently engaged and emotionally invested. Section 3. Self-Sufficiency, the core of attraction. Now let's dive into the most attractive quality a man can have: self-sufficiency. This is more than just financial independence or having a great job. It's about being emotionally independent, having a fulfilling life outside of your relationship, and not needing her for validation or happiness. Here's the truth. Women are inherently attracted to men who are self-sufficient. Why? Because a self-sufficient man doesn't rely on her for his emotional well-being. He's not constantly seeking her approval or validation. He's confident, secure, and driven by his own goals and ambitions. And this independence creates a magnetic pull. What self-sufficiency looks like in real life. Self-sufficiency isn't about ignoring her or pretending you don't care. It's about having a life that is so full and rich that you're not constantly seeking validation from her or anyone else. You have your own goals, your own interests, and your own passions, and these things make you inherently attractive. For example, let's say you're working on building your career or starting a business. You're passionate about what you do, and you're fully invested in your own personal growth. This shows her that you're not just sitting around waiting for her to fill your time. You have a purpose, and that purpose drives you. Similarly, when you invest in your own health and fitness, you're showing her that you respect yourself. Taking care of your body is a form of self-respect, and it's incredibly attractive. Women are drawn to men who take care of themselves physically and mentally because it signals discipline, confidence, and strength. Why self-sufficiency makes her miss you. Here's why self-sufficiency is such a powerful tool for creating attraction. When you're self-sufficient, you naturally become less available. You're not constantly texting her, calling her, or seeking her attention. You're busy living your life, and that makes you more interesting and attractive. When you're self-sufficient, you're not chasing her. You're not desperate for her time or validation. And that lack of neediness is incredibly refreshing for women, because most men do the exact opposite. Most men are constantly seeking approval, trying to please her, and making themselves available 24/7. But when you're emotionally independent, you stand out from the crowd, and this is when she starts to miss you the most. When she realizes that you don't need her to be happy. You're perfectly content living your life, and that makes her want to be a part of it even more. When you're not constantly seeking her attention, she starts seeking yours. Section 4. The psychological trigger of uncertainty. The secret weapon. Finally, let's talk about uncertainty, one of the most powerful psychological triggers in attraction. Humans are naturally wired to seek certainty, especially in relationships. We want to know where we stand, what's going to happen next, and what the future holds. But paradoxically, it's the moments of uncertainty that trigger the strongest emotional responses. Uncertainty creates emotional tension, and emotional tension creates attraction. This is known as intermittent reinforcement, where unpredictable rewards create stronger emotional bonds than consistent rewards. It's the same principle that makes gambling addictive. People don't know when they're going to win, so they stay invested, hoping for that next high. How to use uncertainty to your advantage. In relationships, uncertainty works in a similar way. When you're unpredictable, when you're not always readily available or predictable, it keeps her emotionally engaged. She starts to wonder what you're thinking, what you're doing, and when she'll hear from you next. And that uncertainty keeps her invested. This doesn't mean you should be flaky or unreliable. It's not about playing games or leading her on. It's about creating a dynamic where she's not entirely sure what's going to happen next, in a good way. For example, maybe you surprise her with a spontaneous date one week, and the next week you're busy focusing on your personal goals. This unpredictability keeps her on her toes and keeps the relationship exciting. Why uncertainty makes her miss you. When a woman knows exactly what to expect from you, whether it's constant texting, regular dates, or always being available, there's no emotional tension, there's no mystery. But when you introduce a little bit of uncertainty into the equation, her brain starts working overtime. She starts to think about you more because she doesn't have all the answers. Uncertainty creates a mental loop. She's thinking about you, wondering about you, and missing you, and that's where the attraction deepens. It's the same reason people become addicted to TV shows with cliffhangers or suspenseful moments. The brain craves resolution, and when there's no immediate resolution, it stays engaged. Conclusion: mastering the art of attraction. To wrap it all up, understanding when and why women start missing you comes down to mastering these 4 key principles: scarcity, the push-pull dynamic, self-sufficiency, and uncertainty. These psychological triggers create emotional tension, build attraction, and keep her invested in the relationship. But remember, this isn't about playing games or manipulating her emotions. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, a man who is confident, self-sufficient, and in control of his own life. When you live your life with purpose and intention, women will naturally be drawn to you. And when you give them space to miss you, the attraction will only grow stronger. So, stop chasing, stop worrying, and start focusing on becoming the man she can't stop thinking about. The man she misses when you're not around.